It's like in Spain, in the afternoon, everybody takes a nap. Oh. Sometimes you gotta stop for oh. It's getting there. Nap time. Well, I asked Carol if she could close the garage door for me. Some time so the wounds can heal. It's fair in love and war. What did you feel? Dent free garage door opening. Good Lord. So no one in the whole entire world has an orange transmission?
Don't know. I know you got one.
I got one. You know when you got a lot of shit? Is when you got that many keys in your pocket. Oh, hang on. We're not quite completely yet there. Yeah, there. No!
Now you got enough set of keys.
Benda! The mind benda. It's Christmas again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, do I get a lot of parts from these guys or what? Yeah. Parts. What did I order that I forgot about? Well, that sucked. I didn't get nothing, but like I got my door bushings. Yeah, that's what I forgot about. But I didn't get my magnet. Oh. Well, I didn't get my magnet. I'll have to get over it. Just racing to get my phone because we cut the pins off the door hinges. Hey, Derek?
Yep.
And this thing has been shaking for how long do you think? What do you think we're at? About 30, 45 seconds? A minute maybe?
A minute anyways, for sure.
And it's still going. It's super hot.
It's scared.
Because it's scared of Derek.
Scared of Andy.
Derek put the heat to it and I put the freaking hammer to it. Isn't that bizarre? Look at this thing go. Oh, it finally stopped, Derek.
Okay, so that's the one for this.
Wow, how crazy is that? Oh, and the whatchamacallit burnt my hand. So wear gloves when you do this shit. Woo! But they're like 75 bucks American, each one of these, so I'll take the burn any day!
So for the price of a little bit of propane.
Yeah, hey?
So this is the...
That's this one, isn't it?
No.
That's the other side?
What's that one say?
That one says...
Get a light hand.
Make sure you
just lightly
passenger
do this.
lower.
If you
There we go.
So whatever that one is, the hottest one.
Driver's lower.
That's the hot one. Hot one's the driver. I'm the driver.
I'm gonna heat this one up again.